Well, this year I'm going to try another Asian melon out on the melon trellis. Nancy loved these. Remember these last year we did, the chame? We did those last year. We're going to do them this year again on another trellis, but this year we're going to do one called a tiger melon. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty good melon. These things get about the size of a softball and very, very sweet. So let me get these little rascals put in some seed cups and get them started inside and indoors, and we'll bring them out and harden them off in a few weeks ahead and get them in the ground, and then we'll watch the progression of them as they grow until we finally get to pluck one from the vine and slice her open and put her in the old belly. So we'll see you back in a few weeks. Okay, our tiger melons are doing pretty good. If you take a look at them, you can see where they're at. You can see they're just starting to get a true leaf on them. So I'm going to leave these in the house under the grow light for about another week, and then I'll bring them out and start to harden them off. I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'm going to be able to plant. So we'll go with those 4, and then the rest of these are all chame. So what I'll do is I'll put these 4 tiger melons in with the chame over on the melon trellis, and we'll have them both in the same trellis. So we'll see you back here in a couple weeks. Well, the tiger melon have been out here on the hardening table. They're ready to go. I only got 4 out of all the 16 that I planted. Only 4 made it. I know, right? Very disappointing, but even with 4, I think I'll get plenty of melons on them. So they got the true leaves. They're ready to go. I'm going to take them and put them in the trellis with the chame. You can see the chame. It's all ready to go as well. So Nancy's going to put a link at the end of this video on how to grow chame. The way I plant this tiger melon is exactly the same way as I plant the chame. So what you see on that video shows you step by step how to fertilize, how to use the bamboo stakes, how to use a vertical trellis for growing these plants. So go take a look at that video, and it'll show you how to plant these, and we'll continue this video all the way through the stages of development until we harvest one and cut it open, and let's see what the inside looks like. So we'll be back shortly. Well, we've had the tiger melons out here for a few more weeks, and man, they are really struggling with this terrible spring weather that we've had. Just real cold and rainy, overcast, high winds, but they're barely hanging on. So I guess I'm gonna have to give them a little extra love and talk to them a little sweeter. Maybe I can get them to come on and give us a melon or two. But take a look at these 4. You can see this one got attacked by a rabbit, but the other 3, they're showing signs of stress. They're really trying to struggle through, but I am getting some new true leaves on them, so maybe we can get a melon or 2 out of it in the days ahead. So I'll check back with you as soon as I revive these little fellers. Well, the tiger melons finally got a little traction with the warmer weather that's coming in now. We're real happy about that. And some of them are still having a hard start, but they'll get there. And some of them have already made it up to the trellis, so I tied them up a little bit this week to give them a little boost up, and they'll get going. And if you look down the rest of the row here, the chame, you can see it grows at a much faster rate than the tiger melons, but I think that's just going to be a matter of these things getting a little traction, and once they do with the warmer weather, they'll catch up and grow just fine. I think they'll grow pretty evenly. So we'll be back in the days ahead, and we'll take another look at these guys when they get on up the trellis and start putting on fruit, and we'll take another look then. See you soon. Well, the tiger melons finally realized it's summertime, and have they hopped up or what? Check these guys out. They are halfway up the trellis now, and the tiger melons, they come from about here over to here, and from here down is chame. So out of those 4 plants you can see that we started with, they're actually producing. So let's get up close and take a look at what these vines look like and the blooms on them. Tiger melon's off and running. We're looking forward to getting these out here in the days ahead. So we'll be back shortly when it's time to come out here and harvest some of these off the trellis. So we'll see you soon. Well, I wanted to give you an update on the tiger melons. If you'll look at this area right here, you can see how all of this right here is a little bit lighter color in green than these. These right here are the chame. These right here are the tiger melon, and you can see there's quite a difference in color and the shape of the leaf. So we've already started to put on some fruits on the tiger melon. So come on up here and let me show you some of the little baby fruits and how they start to look when they're starting to develop. Back here in a few weeks, and we'll do some harvesting on these things and cut them open. These are the most fragrant melon you'll ever smell. They're fantastic. You can have these in your kitchen, in your house, and when people come in, they go, "Oh, what's that wonderful smell?" That's my tiger melons. They smell good. So we'll see you back here in a couple of weeks. Well, our tiger melons have finally ripened, and they've turned the color of a Bengal tiger. That's when you know that these little fellers are ready for you to eat. And let me tell you one thing, is these are the most fragrant melons you'll ever smell, and you can smell it right through the skin. It is awesome. And when you open this stuff up, this tiger melon up inside the house, your whole house smells like this. It smells fantastic. You'll love the smell of it. So let me take you and take a real close look up here. I've got a few of these that are ready to harvest right now, and I've got about 25 more on here that aren't quite ready yet. So come on up here and take a close look, and we'll pick some of these and head over yonder to the harvest table, and we'll wash them up and cut one open and look inside of one. Went ahead and got a few chame while I was out there. Okay, let's come on up close and take a look at this, and I'll open it up. Look at it. See how beautiful orange that is with the stripes, just like a tiger. So let's take one open. Let's see how the seeds are in a little pod. Just scrape those seeds right out of there, and boy, you can smell that. I wish you could take a sniff of that. Oh man, that's good eating. Well, we're going to enjoy that tonight while we're watching TV. So anyway, we hope that you've enjoyed learning a little bit about Tiger Melons with us on this video. And if you like our videos, subscribe, be a part of our YouTube family. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching our videos. We really love making them. If you like our videos, please like our Facebook page to get the latest tips and tricks. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the newest video. Like it, it would really inspire and encourage us. But most importantly, share it to encourage others. We'll welcome your comments and questions. Thank you. Have a blessed day.